y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you are not new here, welcome back and thank you. This is my hair after I rinsed out the shampoo and conditioner by ApHogee Moist, but today I am doing a two-step protein treatment by ApHogee. That is the reason why I came to you guys already washed and conditioned. Here you see I am transferring the step 1 of the two-step protein treatment into the spray bottle. It's just for easier distribution throughout the hair. I rather spray it on my hair rather than have to pour or squeeze out of a bottle. You're gonna get messy regardless, so let's just throw that out there. Okay, so my hair is already detangled from the conditioning portion of my wash day, but here you see, as always, I will section my hair into 4 different sections. You always want to work in sections. It's easier, it helps 1,000 times more, and it will also help you cut back on time. I cannot stress that enough, you guys. Now let's begin. We are going to split our section into 1 subsection. We are detangling even more, even though we already detangled. We just want to run through again with the Denman brush or tangle teaser, whatever you prefer. I prefer the Denman brush. And then we are going to take the spray bottle of the protein treatment and just begin to saturate the whole subsection from root to ends. You want to make sure you coat it very, very well. You don't want to leave any hair out. So if it's frizzy, fluffy, poofy, that means you need to continue to spray. And then also I will be grabbing my Denman brush again. It does have slight slip to it, but also in the directions it does say to comb through, just to make sure every hair strand is coated. And we are going to do this for the rest of the subsections all throughout our hair. Also, let me tell y'all, this stuff is so sticky. Like the creases from my forearm to my bicep, like in between there, like kept getting stuck together. Like, make sure that y'all have towels on the floor, okay? Y'all might want to even put a towel around y'all's neck, but I didn't want the cotton to soak up the protein treatment, so that's why I wore a t-shirt. Y'all, it's very, very messy, but very effective. Like, your curls will thank you. Look at those curls. Like, seriously, y'all can see the definition, like, while I am applying the protein treatment. But yes, like I said, continue this whole step for all the rest of the sections throughout your hair, and then I shall be back. So here we are. Step 1 is complete. Now we have to sit under the dryer. You don't want to cover your hair up with anything plastic or whatever. You want your hair to dry, and when your hair dries, it's going to dry very, very hard. So make sure you don't try to comb, lift it up, or manipulate it too much. Since my hair has gotten longer, this is what I have to do. You see me leaning my head forward, and now I'm turning to my right side. I'll turn to my left side as well, just so that I can make sure I get the ends of my hair dry, and also the hair that is underneath, because again, the top is rock solid. It is super hard. It's dry, so I don't have to worry about that part. Now we want to just get the rest of our ends of our hair and also underneath dry. Okay, so now we are in the shower. We are trying to rinse our hair, and once you start rinsing, your hair will immediately get soft. So just make sure that you rinse all the protein treatment out. All of step 1 you want to rinse out. We are prepping for step 2, and that is the balancing moisturizer. So we're going to continue to rinse, and then we're going to prepare to do what? What are we about to do, y'all? What are we about to do? Comment below, comment below. We are about to section our hair first into 4 different sections. The balancing moisturizer. There we go. Okay. Still rinsing a bit, get it wet so that we're not breaking any hair strands. Sectioning it right on up. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to work on this back section first. And it says to apply a liberal amount, and let me tell you, a little goes a long way. I didn't expect it. I couldn't remember how much it lathers up. But y'all just continue to watch. You'll see. I'm finger detangling first, as always. And then I am going to pick up my Denman brush. Well, after applying more. Like I said, a little goes a long way. You'll see it starts to build up and, you know, get to lathering. It's almost like a lather, but it did have a good amount of slip, though. As you guys can see, I'm able to brush right through my hair. It was more so soothing and felt good. That's why I stayed on one section for a longer period of time, but you guys get the picture. Look at all that. That's a lot. It's dripping, okay? But it did get my hair very moisturizing. I was actually shocked because usually sometimes I would even skip this step and go right in with my choice of deep conditioner. So, I mean, using this for the first time, it wasn't so bad. And then usually I'll use my own deep conditioner and then I'll sit under my steamer. But today I did not want to do that. I just used this and simply went straight on to styling, which will be the next video. So make sure y'all are on the lookout for that. Make sure your post notifications are on so that you will be informed when that video posts. So yeah, like I said, we are going to do this to all 4 sections, and then we are going to rinse. So here you see me taking my clips out and rinsing them and then clipping them on my shower rack. Rinsing all of this balancing moisturizer out. Making sure I rinse it very, very well. Okay, so let's get a look at these curls. Yes, all those kinky curls. Lovely. Now we are going to apply our leave-in conditioner, and it's by Camille Rose. It's the honey. I really, really like this leave-in conditioner. It is very, very, very moisturizing, but you just want to make sure you distribute it evenly. Better than what I did. I was just trying to get it all done, so I did one big whop. I could have got in the middle, but it's cool. You guys have made it to the end of this video. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for the styling portion of this 1 of 3. Thank you.